Hello everyone. Happy sunshine. Hello everybody. Good morning everyone. Namaskar. Namaskar everybody. How are you all? And how is it going? Everything is going as good as it can be? Okay, well done. Okay, Dhyay. Am I audible to everybody? Am I audible to everyone? Now visible to everybody? Now visible to everybody? All right. So everyone is ready with their grammar textbook and notebook. Every one of you is ready with grammar textbook and notebook. Write it down in the chat box. Please take out your grammar textbook and notebook. Everybody, please take out your grammar textbook and notebook. One of you, can you please turn on your camera? Any one of you, can you please turn on your camera? Okay, please make it on. One of you, please make it on. I cannot see anyone. Please make your camera on, beta. One of you, can you please make your camera on? Any one of you? One of us, Bhavika, please turn on your camera. Bhavika Sinha, please turn on your camera. Bhavika, am I audible to you, Bhavika? Bhavika, okay, yes, Arni, can you? Arni, can you? Video is freezing. Okay, wait for a while. Yes, Bhavika. Okay, Mahir has made it on. Very good, Mahir. Good, beta. Now video is coming properly to everybody. Now the video is coming properly. Okay, well done. And I'm turning on Bhavika's mic. Bhavika, if my video goes blur, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, everyone. If my video goes blur, please tell me. Okay? Mahil, turn on your camera, beta. Mahil, please turn on your camera. Mahil, am I audible to you, beta? Okay. So now, Mahil, turn on your camera, beta. Arni, can you hear me? Arni Babarwa, can you hear me, beta? Please turn on your camera, Arni. Okay, Shreya ने कर दिया. Very good. Now please put it on only, okay? It's okay, Mahir. Now, let's start our today's class. In today's class, we are going to do chapter number 5. Take out your grammar textbook. Notebook. everyone, in today's class we are gonna do chapter number 5 of grammar, that is comma. Everyone, I am writing everyday BTC, so please look at my message and carry your BTC accordingly. In today's class we are going to do chapter number 5, page number 21. Chapter number 5, comma, of grammar textbook, and today's date is 21/6/21 and day is Monday. And the learning outcome, I am also writing the learning outcome. You need not have to write the learning outcome. The learning outcome of this lesson is, the students, you will be able to use comma in list. This is the learning outcome. लर्निंग आउटकम मीन्स आपको ये चैप्टर फिनिश होते तक क्या क्या समझ में आ जाएगा, what you are going to learn after we end up this chapter, right everyone? Now the next learning outcome is, use comma in the right position. You will be able to use comma in right position. Then the third learning outcome is, you will be able to use comma in their writing. Use comma in their writing. Right? So these all are the learning outcomes of this lesson. And today's topics are introduction and explanation. Today's topics are introduction plus explanation. Along with it, we will do the textbook exercise for our better understanding. Right everyone? All the things are clear what we are going to do today? We have discussed the learning outcome. We came to know about the topics of today. Now what are we waiting for? Let's start. Let's start first with the comma. Take out few things from your bag, school bag. Can you list them? Can you list them? Yes, but with pause, right? That's how I'm going to show you. Like, this is my textbook, notebook, my file. I put comma, I put pause in each of the, yes, well done Shreya. I put pause on each of the words, right? If there are different words, I put pause. That this is my textbook, notebook and file. So जहाँ पे भी हम different चीजों को explain करते हैं, different चीजों को भी tell to anyone, we write a comma, and this is the comma symbol. This is the symbol of comma which we put below, which we put near the word. Suppose I like ice cream, butter and chocolate. So I put comma here. Can you see the comma? Yes. For differentiating two things, we put comma. Am I clear? Everybody, am I clear? Now,
Yes.
okay. Now, if we see few of the things of page number 21, let's read these sentences. And Jen has a pencil, a book, a ruler and a ruler in her bag. As we have seen कि जहाँ पे भी हम कॉमा का यूज करते हैं हम वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा पॉज देते हैं, राइट? बोलते वक्त हम वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा पॉज देते हैं. Now let's see a pencil, a book and a ruler. When we write a list of 3 or more things in a sentence, when we write a list of 3 or more, right, of 3 or more in a sentence, कोई भी चीजें, if we write more than 3 or more than 2, we write comma. And after each item in the list, we do not put a comma after the last item. हम लास्ट आइटम पे कॉमा नहीं लगाते, लास्ट आइटम पे we put full stop, but after each item in a list we put a comma. Now let's see few of the examples which are given in page number 21. Let's see. We put an and before the last item. Let's see the example. I had 2 slices of bread, comma, an egg and a banana for breakfast. हमने लास्ट वर्ड यानी कि बनाना के बाद कॉमा नहीं लगाया, हमने उसके पहले जब एंड लिखा है we had put comma there. So as you can see here the highlighted red symbols are of commas, right? She rode the slide, the swing and the seesaw in the park. Here we put comma after the slide, the swing and before and the seesaw. Am I clear up till here? Now it's time to do the exercise portion and let's see the magic of exercise. It will make us to know the concept more nicely. Alright, so let's begin with the first question. Read these sentences. The underlined words are the list of the items. Put comma in the correct place. So let's start. We are going to put comma on the correct place. Okay. Let's start with the first exercise. Exercise number 1. Page number 21. And first question. I saw. We have to read the sentence. The underlined words are the list of the items. The items are underlined. We simply have to put comma, right, in the correct place. So let's start. I saw squirrel. We will put a comma after squirrel. Then birds. We will put comma after birds. And frog. On my way. Right? Now let's see the second one. Everybody is doing with me? Everyone is doing it with me? Am I visible to everybody? Okay, well done. You people are doing great work. Now let's see the next one. And it is, I like to eat apples, comma, bananas, comma, and grapes. And grapes. Then the third one is Sam, Andy, Ron and John went for the trip with me. Then the fourth one, the old man has sheep, goat, rabbit, and horses on his farm. Sheep, goats, rabbits, and horses. We put comma after sheep, after goats, and after rabbit. Then fifth one is Anne is wearing dress. आपको ये टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 21 में ही करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है रेड, green and yellow flower. Right, everybody? Only what you need to do, you need to put a comma. Only you need to put a comma in your textbook. Questions are already there. Right, bacha? Once everyone's work is done, let me know. And after this, let's turn the page. There is one more exercise which we are going to do. That is exercise number 2. Also, we are going to do exercise number 3. All done? Very good. Well done. All done, then it's well done. Everybody's work is done. May I erase the board? Shall we start the next exercise? Okay, all right. All right, everyone. In the next exercise, we have to identify the list. अभी हमने क्या किया था? Underline list में we had put comma. Now in this question, we have also need to identify the list. Then we have to put comma wherever required. Okay? So let's begin with the first one. Question number 2, page number 22. And the first one is the dog likes to run, comma, swim, comma, and play. Second one, we also put comma before and because we are going to speak the same content, like he likes to run, swim and play. That's why we are putting comma before and. But it is optional. If you want to put it, you can, and if you don't put, then also your answer is correct. Now let's see the next one. My favorite color colors are red, comma, yellow, comma, and green. Third is Tommy plays basketball, tennis, and football. Now let's see the fourth one. Kim likes to put mushroom, tomato, and olive on her pizza. Fifth one. And the fifth one is, there were spoons, fork, and knife, fork and knife on the table. This is how we have completed our next question as well. It's a very small chapter. After this, we are going to do the third question of chapter number 5. Work is done. Very good. All of you are writing well done. Very well. Now let's see the third one. We only need to put comma wherever required in the paragraph. Right? In the third question, we need to put comma in the paragraph. So let's start. John, Sarah, Kate, and Ben want to bake cookies together. They decide to bake chocolate cake, chocolate cookies, sugar cookies, and butter cookies. Then first they go to the market and shop for a few things. Because we need to cook cookies, so we need few things. That's why they went for shopping. They buy, what are the things required for making cookies? They buy egg, butter, sugar, and chocolate chips. They start baking the cookies. Full stop. Sarah decides to add colorful sprinkles on the cookies to make it more beautiful, right? Let's see what she has added. She adds blue, green, pink, comma, and red sprinkle. Then the cookies look beautiful. All right, everyone. So we put comma here, here, here. Johan, comma Sarah, comma Kate, comma and Ben. Then we put comma after chocolate cookies, sugar cookies, and butter cookies. After butter cookies, we put full stop. They buy eggs, comma butter, comma sugar, and chocolate chips. She adds blue, green, pink, and red sprinkle. All of you are doing well. All of you are doing nicely. Understood the concept? Everyone understood the concept? Please write it down in the chat box whether you have understood or not. Okay, well done. Well done, everybody. Complete your work. So in today's class, we had completed chapter number 5, that is comma. And your homework will come as a game link which you all have to browse. Okay? And then you have to solve that quiz. So your homework is going to come as a game link. And it's a surprise for you all. Complete your work and then after I will take your attendance. And in today's class, attendance would be taken in little bit interesting manner, जिसमें आपको एक एक एडजेक्टिव बोलना है, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड बोलना है before your name. I'm turning on everybody's mic. What you have to do, you have to speak one adjective before your name. Am I clear? To describe yourself. For example, beautiful Bhavika, shiny Shreya. Likewise, you have to speak your attendance. Okay? आपको कैसे नेम बोलने हैं, अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करना है कि ब्यूटीफुल भाविका प्रेजेंट मैम, शाइनी श्रेया प्रेजेंट मैम, आपको ही बोलना है. ऑलराइट, once I am going to take your name, at that time you have to tell me this. Am I clear to everybody? समझ में आ गया सबको? How you have to do? Everyone got it? Write it down in the chat box if you all got it. Otherwise, I am going to explain one more time how you have to give your attendance. You have to use describing words to describe yourself. I hope every one of you know what are describing words, what are adjectives. We had already studied in our third chapter of literature. Now I am unmuting everyone. जिसका नाम मैं लूंगी, only they will unmute their mic. Rest others, if I saw anybody's mic on, I will put absent. If okay, am I clear to everyone? And the first name is Nakshaghara. Nakshaghara. Nakshaghara.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Tell me one describing word. Naughty Naksh is okay for you?
Big and small.
बेटा आपको अपना डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड बोलना है, अपने नेम से जो डिस्क्राइब होता है ना वैसा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाइस, नक्श, प्रेजेंट मैम, ऐसे बोलना है आपको.
ओके मैम.
कोई भी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड ढूंढो अपने लिए. चलो ये इंटेलिजेंट नक्श, प्रेजेंट मैम, लाइकवाइज. नॉटी नक्श. ओके, वेल डन. Now Ayan Chandani, turn off your mic. Ayan Chandani.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak up. Speak up.
What?
Tell me one of your describing word and then say present ma'am. The word which is linked to you, the describing word which is linked with you have to tell me that. Any describing word. Come on, Ayansh, otherwise they'll put absent. Next, Rishvi, be ready with your describing word. Arni, be ready with your describing word. Come on, Ayansh, speak up. Ayansh. Okay, I'm putting Ayansh absent.
Lion is powerful. Powerful.
So you want powerful? Powerful Ayansh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Powerful Ayansh. Okay, well done. Rishvi?
Yes,
Rishvi Barasta.
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
बेटा फास्ट फास्ट मजा आएगा. यस मैम नहीं बोलना है आपको. ब्यूटीफुल Rishvi present मैम, ऐसा बोलना है आपको फटाफट से.
Ma'am, intelligent Rishvi is present.
Well done. Arni Babarwa.
Smart Arni is present, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Smart Arni is present. Now, Jay Bhalodia.
Jay Bhalodia.
Jay Bhalodia.
Ma'am, present.
Intelligent Jay present, right? Pant Borania. Pant Borania. Pant Borania.
Ma'am.
Pant, where is your adjective describing word? Wow, well done. Atharva Chauhan. Atharva Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am. Handsome Atharva is present, ma'am.
Okay, handsome Atharva is present. Well done. Adya Dalsania. Adya Dalsania.
Yes, ma'am. Smart Adya.
Adya. Well done,
Present,
Adya.
ma'am.
Ansh Darji. Ansh Darji. Ansh Darji. Ansh, are you present or not?
Present, ma'am.
Then there is a describing word.
Darji, Ansh is present.
Beta, there is a describing word. Describing word. Intelligent Ansh or
Intelligent.
smart, intelligent, happy, excited. You can use any of the adjective. Fun, turn off your mic, beta. Then Shreya Detroja. Shreya Detroja. Pallavi Giri. Pallavi Giri. Whose mic is on? Pallavi Giri. Pallavi Giri, present or absent? Okay, Pallavi is not present. Bhavya Joshi. Bhavya Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your adjective? Dhyani Karya.
Yes.
Dhyani, where is your adjective? Come on, yes ma'am नहीं बोलना है आपको, क्या बोलना है? Delightful Dhyani.
Dhyani is present.
Very good. Vinikarya.
Beautiful Winnie is present, ma'am.
Very good, Vinny. Ansh Kotia. Ansh Kotia.
Strong Ansh is present, ma'am.
Well done, well done. Man Kotia. Man Kotia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, well done, Man. Samarth Mehta. Okay, Super Samarth is present. Achyut Padalia. Achyut Padalia. Brinsi Patel.
Sweetie Brinci present.
Okay, Sweet Brinsi is present. Now, Fiona Patel.
Dolphin Tuna is present, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Manvi Singh Rana. Manvi Singh Rana. Ishika Serasia. Ishika Serasia.
Cute
Well done, cute Ishika. Okay, cute Ishika. Amrita Shukla. Amrita Shukla. Not present. Bhavika Sinha.
Ma'am, smart, beautiful and intelligent. Bhavika is present, ma'am.
Well done, well done. You have used the concept of comma. Very good. What you have said? Smart, comma, beautiful, comma, and
Sorry, ma'am, comma, nahi, and intelligent.
okay, and intelligent. Well done, Bhavika. Very good, very well. Mahil Gajjar.
Tall Mahil is present, ma'am.
Very good. Reshma Tadiona, Jainam Thakur. Jainam Thakur. Okay, smart Jainam is present. Very good, smart Jainam. And Jayaswarya.
Smart Jay is present, ma'am.
Okay, for the next class, bring few new describing words. Okay? कुछ और नए डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए लेकर आइएगा. एंड गुड बाय. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. Say thank you and leave the class, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. The best. Have a nice day. Bye. I have a doubt. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye,
ma'am. Okay.
मैम
Yes,
आप
अथर्व.
जो लिंक शेयर करने का बोल रहे थे वो कब करोगे आप?
Beta, I had already shared homework and class work.
Bye, okay. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You are the best. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye, beta. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am.